welcome back to another episode of Whip It Up with Jay, and today we are going to be making a delicious Philly cheesesteak stuffed pepper. I know you hear me. This is going to be so good. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Don't forget to leave a like button, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. And to start off, we got our 3 bell peppers, and we are just slicing off the bottoms a little bit just so that they stand up straight, so we have a nice, beautiful presentation for our dish. Now we gotta drop the top on these bad boys like a convertible on a sunny day. You're gonna grab your knife and just slice the top off that bell pepper. We're also gonna cut out that membrane in the middle, so we have a nice little place to stuff all that goodness that we are about to whip up. All right, I have my oven preheated to about 350 degrees, and we're gonna toss our bell peppers in there for about 15 minutes just so they can cook a little bit and soften up. After that, we're gonna move on to our beautiful protein, our ribeye steak. This is probably a little bit over half a pound of a ribeye steak, and what we're gonna do is just cut off all the excess fat, and we're also gonna thinly slice the meat for our Philly cheesesteak. And you have the option when you buy your meat to get it sliced by your butcher. I didn't do that. I'm just gonna slice it by myself, no big deal. Time to drizzle a little bit of that olive oil into our pan. I got it to about a medium high. After that, we're gonna toss that beautiful steak up in there and get it cooking. And as far as seasoning, we're gonna start with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and last but not least, I would say a pinch of cayenne pepper. I like my food a little bit of spicy, so I went a little bit crazy on the cayenne, but I would say a little pinch of cayenne will do you justice. You don't need to add as much as I did. Now, what is a Philly cheesesteak without some onion? So that's what I'm about to do, is add some onion into the pan and let that caramelize along with this beautiful steak we have here. And you're gonna kind of cook it to your preference. I like my steak well done. Some people like rare, some people like medium rare, some like it still mooing. I like my stuff well done, so that's how your boy gonna cook his. And man, look at the color that we got on this steak here. Look how beautiful and juicy that steak looks. My goodness. I cannot wait for you guys to try this. It's so good. Trust me. Now that our steak is cooked, time for the assembly. We have some white rice already cooked. You can use some leftover rice if you have it on hand. All I'm gonna do is just toss that rice into the bell pepper, and we're just gonna kind of layer up these ingredients and then toss them in the oven to broil and get that cheese nice and golden brown. And like I said, we're just gonna continue layering up all these ingredients. Here comes our steak along with the onion. We're gonna just toss these in the bell pepper as well. And man, I'm telling you, what I always say is it looks as good as it tastes, and I promise you, this is so good. You guys must try this at home. It ain't, I may try this, I'll think about trying it. You must try this for your family. Whip this up for your family, your girlfriend, your auntie, your uncle, your grandmama. Whip it up for somebody. This is so good. You got to share it with a friend. Next, we're going to toss a slice of provolone cheese on each of our bell peppers. After that, we're going to toss it in the oven to broil. We want that cheese to get a nice golden brown on the top. We don't want no pale looking cheese. No, that cheese gotta have color. That cheese gotta look beautiful, and that's what we got here. Look at this. I shouldn't even talk right now because I feel like the food speaks for itself. You don't even have to say nothing, no commentary needed. It looks so good and it tastes so good. Please try this at home. You got to try this at home. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It's your boy Jay. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Guys, don't watch a video and not leave a like. What are we doing? Leave a like, comment. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next video.